reducing of religious conflicts between preachers that are coming up, that is young preachers, in social media through dialogue. We are trying to initiate a way of enhancing our young preachers with education and business. So we are expanding the limit of understanding of our young preachers. Among our core objectives, we are trying to make sure that we have a tour, Ruga tour, that we educate our Fulanis in Ruga for the understanding of religious and Western education.
I commend you for, setting up this organization, and I hope you will make a success of it. And you are very much on point when you told me one of your missions is to enlighten, voter registration, particularly in the northern states. It's true, it's been lagging behind most parts of the country. And getting, the youth to register, both men and women, is very, very essential. That is what you are going to use to determine your future. Yeah. And then, of course, the unity you have touched on is very, very essential. If you have to achieve any success in these your objectives, there must be unity of purpose. And therefore, I commend you for that initiative. And you can be rest assured of my support at all times. I want to thank you very much indeed for this visit. And I look forward to continuous engagement with you. Anytime you believe that we can engage to promote the implementation of your objectives which you have enumerated, I will be available. I will make sure that you succeed.